Hello everybody, welcome back to another video of JavaScript coding interview challenges. In this challenge, we need to create a function that returns a ladder pattern of even numbers up to nth number of rows. So if you check the examples, the even ladder pattern is the name of a function and we are providing 6 as an input. Then we need to create a ladder pattern up to 6. So as it's mentioned, even ladder pattern, that means our ladder should have numbers like 2 to the next even number is 4. Then to create a ladder, here we have 2 appearing twice. Then we have to create another row with the next even number, which is 4, but 4 times. The next even number is 6 times. Okay, so there are some conditions involved, like if user is providing 0, 1 or negative number, then we need to return an empty string, not a ladder pattern. Another thing is, how will you create a new row? Then we need to make use of this /n character. Then your next row will appear on the next line. Okay, with this info, let's write it down. So as you can see, we have this even ladder pattern, a function which is expecting a number, and here we have this even ladder pattern. We are providing 8 to it. Then our output should be 2 2 4 4 4 6 6 6 6 6 8 8. I mean, in that sequence. Alright, so let's handle the first condition, where if the number is 0, 1 or a negative number, then we need to return an empty string. So let's write it down later. First, concentrate on the main logic of this challenge. As we have this n given to us, then let's create a string for the output. So let output initialize it with an empty string, and also create a variable for incrementation, because anyway we are going to write a for loop. So let I equal to 2. Because it's even ladder pattern, then let's initialize it with 2. We could have write a for loop, but let's go for a while loop because this will help you visualize it more better. Let's write a while loop until I is less than or equal to this num. Okay, now that means this loop will run for the values of I that are ranging from 2 up to this number. Okay, now as we have this loop body ready, let's do one thing. What we can do, we will write output plus equal to, because we want to concatenate with this output. We will write I dot to string. Let's convert this to a string. Then make use of repeat. We have to repeat it with the value of I, because the first number is 2. Then this repeat, what will do, it will transform 2 to 22. That is the first step of our ladder. And then concat it with an empty string. After this, we want to increment the loop, right? We want to increment the counter. So we won't simply write I plus plus. If we do so, then the value of I will become 3 and the loop will run for I value as 3. But we want even ladder pattern. So what we can do, we will initialize again I with I plus 2. If you do so, then the I value has become 4. 4 is definitely less than this num value is 8. So 4 is less than 8. The condition is true. Then the output has become 22. Then I is now 4. We repeat it 4 times and again concatenate with /n. In the same manner, the loop will go, and after this loop we will return the output. If you do so and run, you will see the ladder pattern. If we change it to 6 and then run again, 2, 4, 6. This is the even ladder pattern challenge in JavaScript. Thank you very much.